When working with Power BI hierarchies, we come across a set of arrow marks. Assume, for example, you have a set of fields, you create one hierarchy. Automatically, a set of fields, a set of arrow marks will appear on the screen. Now here, what are those arrow marks? Let's understand. As a part of our hierarchies concept, let's understand it. First arrow mark, drill up. Second arrow mark, filter drill down. Third arrow mark, independent isolated drill down. Only country, only company, only quarter, only month, something like that. Fourth arrow mark, dependent combined drill down, just like multi-column group by in SQL. Year, year comma quarter, year comma quarter comma month, something like that. 4 different arrow marks. Here we go. For example, I'll take some report. I'll take the report separately. Here it is, a new page to make our learning clear. Select tree map, hierarchy. Nothing is coming here. Come on, friends, what we have to do to get something showcased on the screen? What we have to do? At least one. At least one. At least one. Yes, at least one aggregated column is mandatory, right? You remember that, everyone, please? I'll wait.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Day for yesterday's class assignment, right? You remember now? I was showing it yesterday in the class as well. Yeah.
Prerequisites.
Prerequisites. Yes, exactly. Prerequisite for the tree map visualization. Now, yes, you selected the hierarchy. First, let's directly go to third arrow mark. Isolated drill down. See here, only company. Next, only quarter, in order. Next, only month. Why? Because hierarchy means ordered collection of attributes, right? Remember that, everyone, please, starting of the class today.
Yes,
Ordered collection of report fields.
Yes.
Proper order will be maintained. Yes. Drill up. Again, drill up. Drill up. Now, what is this? You remember now? Fourth arrow mark.
Combined.
Combined drill.
Combined.
Yes, exactly. Combine drill down. Click on combine drill down. Now you see country, company. This one, multi-column group by in SQL. Again click country, company, quarter. Again click country, company, quarter, monthly sales. If you observe carefully, the highest value is on the leftmost side and lowest value on the rightmost side. Did you observe it? The size
Yes, sir.
of the data points.
Yes.
You remember, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Day for yesterday,
Yes.
first class of Power BI, data
Yes, sir.
point. You remember data point, tooltip, torchlight?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yes.
Focus. Yes, sir.
Focus mode, exactly. Focus mode. And what else? Spotlight. Remember or not? Others, please.
Yes.
Remember, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Let's
Yes, sir.
continue. Yep. Please make sure we write our observation notes and also refer to the class notes very carefully. Complete your exercises on time before the next class. Now, where we are? Yes, we got first arrow mark, drill up. Third arrow mark, isolated drill down. Top. Fourth arrow mark, combined drill down. Right? Country, company quarter, country, company quarter, month. Here, other one, second arrow mark. Drill mode on. Click a data point to drill. Come on, friends. How many data points here on the screen? Please, everyone. How
Three
many
data
data points
points.
on the
Three.
screen?
Three data points.
Exactly.
Three.
Two data points. Now let me click on India data point. It says clearly, click a data point to drill. It says, right? Click a data point to drill. So I click on India. So only for India, we see company wise sales. Now in India, within SQL school, okay, within SQL school, click, we see quarterly sales. Within Q1, you see monthly sales. Now I would like to verify the content. Which country, which company, which quarter sales are being broadcasted on the screen. Come on, friends, what we do? Hope you are writing your running
Right.
notes earlier. I'm revising.
Right,
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 right click and
Right.
show as
Right
a
click
table.
and
Show as a
show
table.
as
Yes.
table.
exactly show as table, right? Right click, show as table. Only for India, only for company, only for quarter, you get monthly sales. Next, drill up or right click, drill up. Right click, drill up. You remember this. So next level, that is third arrow mark. Expand means fourth arrow mark, remember. So next level means third arrow mark. Something new in our revision process now, something new. So next level means third arrow mark. Expand next level means fourth arrow mark. Okay, remember them. Now we'll talk about include, exclude and other things separately in next class tomorrow. Filters concept, next item we learn it. Group we learned earlier starting of the class today. You remember this quarter group? Getting it, please? I'll wait.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll do the remaining part as well. So data point as table and summarize, we'll take them separately. For now, we are learning so next level, third arrow mark. Expand next level, fourth arrow mark. Drill up, first arrow mark. Now back to our screen. Please go through it carefully. Have a look at it now. I'll wait for some time. Please go through the complete transcript carefully. First arrow mark, drill up. Second arrow mark, filter, drill down. Third arrow mark, independent, isolated, drill down. Fourth arrow mark, dependent, combined, drill down. Observe carefully.
One question I have
Tell
is,
me, dear. Tell me. Yeah.
so we have all these 4 arrows, even though we don't use the tree map and use some other visualization, right?
Yeah, you can just give a try, dear. Yes, of course. Yeah, any kind of visualization, same thing. For example, you don't want tree map, you want something else like stack bar chart I was using few minutes back. You remember this one? Same thing. Got
So
it?
every visualization will have the same kind of arrows then.
Exactly, dear. Except table. You remember
Okay.
second part of the class today I was selecting table. There is no arrow mark, right? Do you remember everyone? Table.
Yes.
Table. Do you remember or not? Table. Starting of the class today I was
Yeah.
taking a table, right?
Yeah.
Table does not support drill down. Remember. In case if you are writing your observation notes into your notes, table does not support drill down. All other visualizations support drill down except table. Are we getting it, please? I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Fine. Next question, please. I'll wait.
Sir, can we change the hierarchy, the order of the hierarchy? Like view created, country, company, quarter, and month. So if I have to change the order of it, is it possible?
We need to drop and recreate the hierarchy. We have to.
Okay.
Yep. We can change the order of hierarchies in other platforms like Visual Studio, Tabular Mode, Cube Design environments. But in Power BI desktop as on date, there is no option to move the columns or move the fields up and down. It's not there here actually, as on date, okay? It may come in
Okay.
future, but right now, as on date, we don't see that option. So we have to delete the hierarchy from the model and again recreate it as on date.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Fine, madam, fine. So any more questions? I'll wait. In the meantime, I need to compose an email. Whatever you learned all these 1 hour class today, very important. Grouping, right? Grouping, binning, hierarchies. I'm sending the assignments as usual. Please try to answer them before next class tomorrow. Hope you'll do it for me, please, everyone.
Yes, I.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please do it for me, okay? Yeah. Hierarchies and drill down. Tomorrow we'll take something called drill through reports. Groups and bins and hierarchies and drill downs, okay? Total 2 concepts. In case if you are following our roster, the one that was sent starting of this week for our class as the complete curriculum